What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for choosing me to watch. You are greatly appreciated. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do 3 easy nail designs that can transform any nail look. Let me show you what you'll need: a liner brush, a cleanup brush just in case you make any mistakes, a dotting tool, gel polish of your choice, acetone, and a rhinestone glue. All products are linked to my Amazon storefront except the rhinestone glue, so if you need those, make sure you check the description. Now that we have that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. The first design that we'll be doing is a French with a cap print on top of it. Super easy and simple. Starting with the French, you'll be drawing a line on both sides, making them meet in the middle and carefully cleaning up that smile line. All of this will be in real time so you can see exactly what I'm doing and follow along. I usually use a polished brush to film the French, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to use my liner brush. Once you have both lines drawn, they're touching in the middle and your smile line is perfected, that's when you'll fill in the rest of the nail. Take your time, it is not a race. Over time with repetition, you'll get better and faster. For now, focus on your brush control. Now for the cap print. This is where your dotting tool and the other gel polish that you selected comes in. You're going to create these odd little shapes that do not need to be perfect at all. In fact, the less perfect, the better. Fill up as much space as you possibly can. They can be as little or as big as you want. I like to go a step further and fill in the gaps with dots around the smile line and in between the odd shapes that we previously created. These don't have to be perfect either. The second design that we'll be doing are these 3D droplets. Now, when it comes to squeezing out the glue, don't use too much pressure or you'll just end up with a huge glob of glue. Unless you want them that big, that's just my suggestion. Using light pressure, squeeze out some glue and place it onto the nail. Pull away just a tad and start to go around in a circle. The glue will self-level and create that droplet effect on its own. We're going for multiple 3D droplets. You can arrange them however you like. When it comes to a droplet that kind of acts sort of funny, you can touch it with the nozzle and drag it in a circle again to get exactly how you want. Gel acts weird sometimes, so you kind of just have to play around with it. I cut the rest of that clip showing you the bottom of the nail that I was doing. I was way too close to my camera and I didn't want to blind you guys, so yeah. Moving on with the third design. This one has to be the most simple. I mostly see it around Halloween relating to Beetlejuice, but you can really throw this with any other theme and it'll pop. We're going for a straight line look. I did do 5. You can do however many that you want. Feel free to make them as thin or thick as you like as well. I wanted to make some of them thicker. That was just my preference. And that wraps up this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this and also received an understanding of how to do these designs. If you aren't already, please like and subscribe. That helps me create more videos just like this one. If you have any other designs or things that you would like to see, leave them down below. I would love to share how I do them with you. If you would like to connect with me on other platforms and check out the products I use to create these stunning designs, check out the description for all links. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I'll see you in the next one.